My name is Lee Beerslaw and I am a client service coordinator.
My name is Laura du Plessis. I'm one of the junior draftsmen here at Weba.
My name is Teessen. I'm a maintenance contract manager for Weba South Africa.
Well, I've been with Weba for just over 6 years now.
Being part of the after-sales service, I need to ensure that all the inspections and installations are done timeously and within the client's safety requirements.
I didn't think I would like it in the beginning, but I grew a passion for what I do, especially with machineries and everything that went on underground. It amazed me at the end of the day.
I chose this career for the challenge and for the learning experience on this.
I've always enjoyed the technical side of things, and with this career it gives me the opportunity to grow and learn daily.
The best part of my job, that's actually quite an easy one. So once you've spent weeks of hard work, you get the opportunity to go downstairs and view the final product, physically touch this item that you worked so hard on.
The best part of my job is being part of a project and planning an installation and seeing the chute run perfectly.
You know, I know what everybody's thinking, man's world, man's job. No, I'm one of 4 women draftsmen in well over 20 people here, and every one of us are treated as equals. There's no animosity, nobody looks down at us, we are exact equal part of the team.
Well, since I started here, they were welcoming me with open arms. I actually felt part of the Weba family from the beginning, so I would say we are more like a family than co-workers.
Well, being a woman in engineering, you have to be strong and you have to be steadfast and always be confident in what you do.
The sky's the limit. You can do whatever you set your mind to. Respect yourself and respect those around you. Never give up. Even if the environment gets very harsh, stay strong.
So my advice for women who want to go into engineering or mining, best advice I can give is stop being scared. Stop worrying so much. You know, when I tell people what it is that I do, the first thing they say every time is, oh, isn't that so difficult? Isn't it terrible working with so many men all the time? No, that's nonsense. Everybody who started out in engineering, male, female, makes no difference, started out exactly the same as me, knowing nothing. Start with a small course or move on to short evening courses or just jump straight in and go straight to college. If you've got a passion for it, you will find a pathway that you truly enjoy